As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at getting a new grill. I've narrowed it down to the Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Traveler Compact. Any thoughts?
Oh, interesting. I've seen both of those. The char-broil is definitely the more budget-friendly option at around $139, right?
Yeah, exactly. The Weber is almost double that, at $299. Is it worth the extra cash?
Well, it depends on what you need. The char-broil has a slightly bigger primary cooking area, 280 square inches compared to the Weber. It also boasts a side burner, which is handy for sauces and sides. And it has 2 burners.
True, the side burner is appealing. But the Weber is designed to be super portable, right? That's a big draw for me.
Absolutely. The Weber Traveler Compact is all about portability. It's smaller, designed to fit in most car trunks, and has durable wheels. It also folds up easily. The char-broil, while compact, isn't really designed for frequent transport. It weighs more too, like 37.5 pounds compared to the Weber's 49 pounds.
So the Weber is more about convenience and taking it places. What about grilling performance?
Both use propane. The char-broil has a 20,000 BTU rating, but the Weber doesn't specify its BTU. The Weber does highlight its wide temperature range and porcelain-enameled cast-iron grates, which are supposed to retain heat really well for searing.
Okay, so the Weber might get hotter and sear better. What about build quality? The char-broil has mixed reviews on that, I saw.
The Weber is generally considered to have better build quality. People praise it as sturdy and well-made. The char-broil is decent for the price and has good customer reviews, but it's not quite on the same level.
Right, okay. So char-broil is cheaper, bigger cooking area, has a side burner. Weber is portable, probably better build quality, and potentially better searing.
Exactly. And the Weber is designed for easy cleanup, with front access grease removal.
Okay, that's helpful. Thanks. I think I need to decide how important portability is to me.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.